In this video, I will show you how to change phone number in Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to change your phone number on Steam, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. I'm using the Steam app, but if you do use the web-based version of Steam, follow along as these steps are the same. Once you're logged in Steam, come up to the top right-hand corner to your profile up here where it says manage account, give that a click to bring up this menu, and then come down and click onto account details. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. If you come over to this menu on the left hand side, you want to make sure you clicked onto account details, and once you've done that, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the contact info section just down here. In here you can see your email address and phone number. So to change your phone number, all you want to do above your phone number is click the manage your phone number button. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this where you can change your number, verify your phone number if you haven't done so already, or alternatively remove your phone number from your account. To change your phone number, all you need to do is click onto the change number button here. That's going to take you to a screen like this, and then you just simply need to follow the steps. So if you do have your old phone number, you want to select the top option. If you don't, then what you're going to have to do is remove your old phone number first and add your new phone number and verify it with a SMS text, which will be sent to your number with a verification code. So you just want to select your option here and follow the steps through, and that's going to go ahead and successfully change your phone number in Steam. So that's how to change phone number in Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.